the Reaper by Blue Oyster Cult. This is basically a 4-chord song, but of course this song is all about this fantastic riff. We're going to be looking at all sections of this song, including the higher middle arpeggio kind of instrumental section which uses triads. Let's take a look at this fantastic song. So the main riff is based around an A power chord in open position using 0, 2, 2 from string 5, 4 and 3, hitting the open 3rd string, and then I play the G major with my middle and 3rd finger, and we do a G major arpeggio. And for each of these chords, I'm playing them with down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. You also might have more success picking this a little bit closer to the bridge than you normally would, keeping your hand just a little bit anchored, especially you electric guitar players. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Should serve you very well. The next chord is an F power chord with the open string 4 and 3. You can play this with your 1st and 3rd finger or your 1st and little finger. I preferred it with my 1st and little finger. And again, it's string 6, 5, 4, 3. And then back to the G, same as we did before. Down, 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 up. Slow play through, super, super slow. Couple of technique points. Notice that I'm keeping all strings ringing out at all times, especially the 3rd string. That 3rd string, as soon as we hit it, as soon as it goes to the open, that's supposed to ring out. So don't mute it at all, but you can again I find keeping my picking hand nearer the bridge really helps, especially for playing this riff stood up with an electric guitar or acoustic, and often having my little finger anchored just here. Really helps with that accuracy, though that is not 100% needed, or if you don't find that comfortable, that's fine. Let's have a look at this one more time as a close-up and then up to speed, and then we'll look at all the chords in the rest of the song. So fingers like an A sus2 and down, 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 up. When we go up, we lift off these fingers back to this G chord. Up. So as soon as we hit that up strum, your fingers need to lift off at that time. That's the coordination that needs to happen with both hands. And you need to get used to making the shape of the chord and then putting your fingers down. I often find that if I haven't practiced this riff in a while, I go too far with the first couple of picks and I'll kind of miss the 1st string. So keep the picks movement really small. And you might have more success, or I think you definitely will have more success playing this fast if you keep the movement as small and economical as possible. You know, it's certainly something you want to play around with. Let's have a look at the rest of the chords in this song, and then also this. Awesome arpeggio instrumental. So the basic chords in the song are A minor, G major, F major, and G major. Those chords can be played as power chords if you prefer, especially the electric guitarist may prefer that. And then we also have an E major or an E7 in this song as well that just happens in the little bit before the chorus. If we just play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... You can play that throughout every verse and every chorus, rather than doing the riff if you prefer. You can also, in the chorus, do power chords. Let's have a look at the structure of this close up on the verse with the strumming as a little bit of a slow playthrough. Join in once you're ready in 1, 2, 3, 4. All our times have come. Here, but now they're gone. Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor the wind, the sun and the rain. We can be like they are. Come on, baby, don't fear the reaper. And that's basically how it continues, with just 2 lines of this song that are different to the riff, apart from the arpeggio section, which is seasons don't fear the reaper, F, G, A minor, nor the wind, the sun and the rain. And as soon as you're on that A minor, you either get back to the riff or you get back to the strumming A minor, G and F, back to G. Let's have one more strum through of that and then we'll look at the arpeggio section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. All our times have come. Here, but now they're gone. F chord, here we go. Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor the wind, the sun and the rain. We can be like they are. Back to the riff if you wish. And it's literally interchangeable. That continues for the first couple of minutes. There's a pause after that first minute and then it starts again from the riff. But let's have a look at this arpeggio section now. So the 2 arpeggios we use are an F minor at the 8th fret, 9th fret and 10th fret. And then we move fingers 1 and 2 down 1 fret. So from F minor to an F suspended flattened 5th, or an F over G7, or G7 over F. Either way, we're picking down, down, up. And you only should have 1 finger down at a time. Really reminds me of a bit of, well, the song that can't be named for copyright reasons, otherwise this video will get blocked. Each one of those arpeggios happens 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it just happens in a cycle. Obviously easier if you keep your fingers down, but we want that coordination really. And now we're back to the riff. What a song. Let me know how you get on with that in the comments below. And if you need more help with this kind of single string picking, check out my course Lead Guitar 1, which has loads of picking exercises and is part of a 3-part Lead Guitar 1, 2 and 3 syllabus, taking you from kind of late beginner level all the way up to an advanced electric or acoustic guitar player. I'll leave a link to that on screen now. Hope to see you there, guys. Bye bye for now.